The National Parks Board is investigating the unauthorized clearance of plants at a Lower Peirce Reservoir site that was part of a nationwide tree planting movement. The area was cleared and used to store construction materials. Conservationists say the incident shows that stronger vigilance is needed to protect Singapore's natural habitats. Alexandra Anand with this story.
An area meant to be protected, now a reminder of how quickly months of work can be undone. Nearly 90 native saplings and shrubs had been planted here by the community last year, under an initiative to grow 1 million trees in Singapore by 2030. But after an unauthorized clearance last week, half of the site has been stripped bare, and efforts are now underway to restore it. Now, as you can see behind me, there are bags of what appears to be dried leaves that have been placed in this area. From what I've been told, these will be spread over the empty plot of land in what's been described as a temporary measure. We can see a sign there that says that reforestation is in progress. It's unclear how long that will take, but the tree planters that I spoke to say that it took them around 1.5 years for these saplings to grow, which of course now are no longer there. NParks says the site had been cleared by a contractor for temporary storage of construction materials, despite prior instructions not to do so. CNA understands the contractor was employed by NParks for works in the area. It's unclear what works the contractor was involved in, but the site is located next to ongoing construction works, including a park connector project. One conservationist says more active enforcement could have helped to prevent the incident.
In a protected area, there are signages that says, that things that you can do, you cannot do. For example, taking plants or poaching of the animals, having boots on the ground through volunteers or the residents or hikers around the area could also help. And in this case, a volunteer who was there saw that there was a clearing of the site, which were then notified to us.
She pointed to the importance of such natural habitats. 2 of the 5 species planted served as a food source for a critically endangered monkey native to Singapore. One biologist says the incident has upset volunteers who have been caring for the trees, but he adds it's an opportunity to improve processes.
I think it's a wake-up call. What's going on around us? Is there sufficient communication? Is there sufficient vigilance? Does the agency need help with eyes on the ground? Because it's not like they have a lot of people and the areas are quite big. And with a lot more developments coming up, whether it's for recreational infrastructure or for developments, the probability of mistakes happening can increase.
NParks says those who cut, collect or displace any plant in a national park or nature reserve without approval can be fined up to $50,000, jailed for up to 6 months, or both.